Hello, my name is Nathan Taylor, otherwise known as Sockmatician, and this is a video tutorial to accompany the Sockmatician's double knitted brioche ebook. This particular tutorial shows you how to work the Blip-Free left-leaning single decrease with setup in inverted double knitted brioche. I'm talking about inverted double knitted brioche because I'm working by creating my knit stitches with my pearl coloured yarn and my pearl stitches with my knit coloured yarn. Already working in double knitted brioche, I've got both of my yarns at the back of the work going over the top of the right needle, and because this is the kind of decrease that requires a setup to have been done in the previous row or round, I've worked to the spot where I've got my two adjacent knit stitches under their single shared yarn over, followed by my two adjacent purl stitches underneath their shared yarn over. And this is how you work the Blip-Free left-leaning single decrease with setup in inverted double knitted brioche. Step 1 then, slip one stitch with the shared yarn over knitwise from the left needle to the right, going from front to back like that. Step 2, slip just the shared yarn over without any stitches, also knitwise, back from the right needle to the left. That means taking the tip of the left needle into the front of just the shared yarn over and slipping it across to the left needle like that. Step 3, slip the next stitch with the shared yarn over, again knitwise from the left needle to the right. Just means slipping the two strands together like that. Step 4, slip both stitches with their shared yarn over together and purlwise from the right needle to the left. Simple transferring them back over to the left needle like that. Step 5, using your pearl coloured yarn, knit the next two stitches together with their shared yarn over together through the back legs. So going in like that and using the pearl coloured yarn to knit those three strands together. Bring both of the yarns to the front of the work, coming between the two needles. Then keeping the knit coloured yarn at the front, take the pearl coloured yarn to the back of the work, going over the top of the right needle like that. Now using your knit coloured yarn, purl the next two stitches with the shared yarn over together. Simple purl two together through the front legs as normal, just with that extra yarn over in place as well. Now it's important, just as I finish this, as I slide those stitches off the left needle, to maintain the position of that pearl coloured yarn over the top of the right needle there. Then you finish everything off by taking your knit coloured yarn to the back of the work, going over the top of the right needle. Let's have a look at what we've done. You can see these two columns of blue knit stitches coming together here, perfectly blip free of course, and the right stitch sits on the top, so this decrease looks like it leans over to the left. And on the back of the work, we've got the opposite is true. These two columns of brown knit stitches come together with the left stitch sitting on the top, making it look like it leans over to the right. And that's all you need to know about working the Blip-Free left-leaning single decrease with setup in inverted double knitted brioche. Zip!